What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I have a few deals for you guys today. I'm gonna keep this one short and sweet like the day before, but first I want to give a shout out to Hascola Rivera for sending me $8 through Cash App. I appreciate you, man, very much. I do have my Cash App link in the description if you ever wanted to leave me a tip, because if you leave it through YouTube, they're going to take 33% of that, and they didn't make these videos, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get on with the deals. First up, over at Home Depot, we have this Mother's Day deal with this Milwaukee M18 6,000 lumen rocket light. This is the one that will charge your batteries and has a 3 different pivoting heads, and it's normally quite expensive. This thing was normally like $5.99 or $6.99 like a year or two ago. I haven't checked it out recently, but it's on sale for $449, and it's on a BOGO. So you get a free 8 amp hour output battery. When you add that to the cart, it breaks down to be $311.11. Now, the 2,000 lumen rocket light regular price is $229. I think right now it's on sale for $179, but you get what I'm saying. $311 for this is really cheap, triple the brightness, and again, you have the charging. As far as the footprint goes, once they fold up, they're pretty much the same. I have both. Moving on, we have this Sawzall kit. So we have the Sawzalls, not the Super Sawzall. So this does not have the orbital function, and it also has no rafter hook. But if you really love Milwaukee and you want this reciprocating saw, this comes as a kit with the 5 amp hour battery charger and a hard case. I will say this does have a extendable and pivoting shoe. A lot of them don't have that, and it has a variable speed trigger, but no modes. And this is also on the BOGO. You can add either one of these, the battery or the angle grinder, doesn't matter because they're the same price. And that kit breaks down to be $179.52, which is insane for that. Of course, you would have to return the other item, but that honestly is not a bad deal for both of those. $299. The angle grinder itself is $200, and this kit is way more than $299 generally. So you're getting a sweet deal even if you decide to keep it. Now, I also wanted to show you over at Menards this Metabo HPT 36 volt, not the 18 volt, the 36 volt reciprocating saw with the lifetime warranty. Let's go ahead and go back and look at this. You already see it's really $139.99, but you get 11% rebate. That's a mail-in rebate, and they'll give you a $15.40 Menards gift card. But let's go back and look at the listing. I just want to show you that this shoe also pivots and extends. There's a little kickstand right here. It has the orbital function. It not only has a variable speed trigger, but also has 4 modes, and it has a big, healthy rafter hook. So, I mean, obviously, if it were me, I'd get that. That's what I did. I have this, and these are different modes: low, medium, high, and max. And it works great. Works very good. I'm trying to get, you see the rafter hook back there. So there you have that for $139.99. But that is not a bad deal for that whole kit, because this is tool only, and don't forget that this has a lifetime warranty as well. And it being a 36 volt tool, it also can be plugged into the wall and run off AC and DC. So, you know, you have some thinking to do, but I would honestly, for $179.52 with the battery, if you just want the whole kit, wanted to go red, this is not a bad deal at all. Moving on, we will finish up at Home Depot. Right here, we have this Ryobi 2-pack hybrid fan deal for $89. That makes these $45 a piece. Great deal. Normally when they become $50, I buy them, but $45 a piece. And I don't know if you guys saw the video I made like a week or two ago, and I talked about somebody else had a fan deal. I want to say it was a Milwaukee fan deal for $89 for one. And a lot of you was like, man, those Ryobis are all that. They are. They're quiet. This is the Whisper series. They're quiet as I don't know what. They last a long time on the battery. And they are indeed hybrid, which so many of you corrected me in the comments. You can plug it into the wall, and this also run off AC and DC. $89. You're not finding a better fan, in my opinion. Moving on over to Amazon, we have this Greenworks deal. Okay, I don't really like Greenworks as a company. If you have issues, I heard customer service is a nightmare. And even me as an influencer, they reach out to me and their communication is horrible. And they actually want me to test their products. I've never gotten one because the communication is so horrible. But you getting a 20-inch lawnmower, okay, brushless. You're getting this blower, which is 320 CFM, not the best by any stretch of the means, but not terrible either. You're getting a 12-inch trimmer, a dual charger, and two 4 amp hour batteries for $374.99. That's a lot of tools for your money. Just the lawnmower alone for that price is good. Then you're getting the trimmer and the blower. You're getting the whole kit, and these reviews look pretty good. But I would say read through them. But I will probably pull the trigger on that and use the crap out of this thing for that 30 days in case you need to return them. Next up, I just want to say that for those of you that are on your vitamin game like I am, Mary Ruth is having a sale. And if you normally buy or know anything about Mary Ruth, these vitamins are expensive as crap. And so whenever they're going to sell, I buy a lot of them. These things work. You feel the difference after a couple weeks after it gets in your system. And this definitely helps me get through my day, my work days. And I highly, highly, highly recommend them. I even have them for my kids and notice a difference in them as well in terms of their skin, their overall health, their energy levels, how calm they are. Same with me. So I highly recommend them, just showing you that these are on sale. So there you have that. And finally, we have some more EcoFlow deals over on Amazon. These are not refurbished. These are brand new. The Delta 2 is $629. That's super duper cheap. You can see this right here, or with honey. We have the River 2 Pro $429, brand new. And we also have the EcoFlow River 2, which is $169, brand new. And I'll also leave a link directly to the store if you was interested in the Pro or the Ultra or any solar panels or anything like that. They're just having a limited time deal on their things on Amazon, and wanted to let you know about that. And that will conclude today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. And I will see you guys next time.